everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make a delicious gluten-free, very tasty breakfast. This is buckwheat porridge, or how we are calling it in Russia, it's like kasha. So this is a very easy recipe. For the 101 tutorial of how to boil buckwheat, I'll link in the description below, and I'll just put right here the video for you as well. Yeah, so the recipe is very simple, so let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients for buckwheat porridge are 1 cup of buckwheat, or 225 grams, 1 cup of almond or any plant-based milk, or basically it's 256 grams, and 3 cups of water. This is the filtered water, and as well a pinch of cinnamon. Yeah, so traditional recipe calls for butter. I'm just skipping butter because I'm making the vegan version, and after that I'll add some toppings. So the procedure of how to boil buckwheat is very easy. So I'm just rinsing the buckwheat groats to ensure that they are clean and they don't have any impurities. I'm straining them very well, and I'm putting them to a boil. In a saucepan, just transfer your rinsed buckwheat and 3 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, and covering the buckwheat, the saucepan basically, with a lid, and let it simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, the buckwheat groats are ready. Look how flaky they are. Okay, so you can do the same thing with the raw buckwheat, because this is the roasted one. It's just for the recipes, it's 1 cup of buckwheat and 2 cups of water. Now to our buckwheat, I will add 1 cup of plant-based milk and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix it well and cover and simmer for 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes, the buckwheat porridge is ready. What we have to do now, we have just to assemble our porridge as we wish. I'm normally adding some peanut butter, fresh fruits like banana and blueberries, some maple syrup, extra cinnamon, and a little bit of matcha. And this is the perfect breakfast for me. So yeah, and I forgot actually to mention that this buckwheat is like 4 servings. So if you are making these portions, they will last for you for a long period of time. And by the way, yes, it is fridge friendly. You can store it in the fridge up to 3 days. So this was my recipe of buckwheat porridge. It's delicious. It's very healthy as well, gluten-free, and it's perfect if you want to plan your week ahead and to store it in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday interesting, healthy and simple recipes. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.